3D printing nozzles come in various sizes and materials, and changing it is inevitable. When doing so, make sure that you give yourself enough room to work with. That means moving your printhead to appropriate Z-axis height and X-axis width so that you can easily have access to the printhead itself. When done, remove all the covers and even the silicone sleeve around the hot end block, and then you can start working. At this point, it's important to set your temperature to a decent value, sort of 2/3 of your average printing temperature, so because of the expansion that occurs within metals. Grab some tools and of course the nozzle that you'd like to replace. Secure the hot end block, and then using the provided tool or spanner of your choice to just undo the old nozzle. Mind the heat, but when it pops off, there may be a bit of filament residue. I normally just grab a little piece of sanding paper and just clear that out, being careful not to damage the inside thread. Once done, just slip the new nozzle into place and give it a couple of quick turns to make sure that it's actually taking. Of course, it's going to heat up very rapidly, so you don't want to keep your fingers there for too long. To tighten it, again, grab hold of the block if need be, and then the spanner, righty-tighty, and screw it in. At the end, don't force it, just gently make sure that it goes all the way in and sits nicely aligned. And that's it. From there, lower everything, put your covers back on, and of course, need I mention, once you've changed the nozzle, just go through the normal bed leveling procedure to make sure that new nozzle is touching just at the right place for your next print. And that's about it. Simple and easy,